Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to debloat Brave browser using the open source chrome-debloat tool developed by NVFP4. First, open your preferred web browser and open developer NVFP4's official GitHub page. The link is in the description below. This page breaks down all the privacy-focused features, along with execution guides for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux system architectures. This tool does not require installation and can be run in a single command directly inside your terminal environment. Scroll down the repository page to the Quick Start section. Here you will find the precise execution commands categorized by your operating system layout. If you are using Windows, simply copy the provided PowerShell command string to your clipboard. Next, right-click the Windows Start menu button at the bottom left of your screen layout and click explicitly on Windows PowerShell or Terminal. Right-click anywhere inside the active terminal window to paste the copied command string cleanly onto your command prompt line. Close your Brave browser completely to ensure the system policy changes apply smoothly without background file locking. Return to your PowerShell terminal window, press Enter on your keyboard, and wait for the brief downloading process to complete. Once finished downloading, the terminal layout will automatically initialize and open the main tool interface. Press 1 on your keyboard to select Brave browser from the supported browser target list. On first launch, recommended debloating profiles and telemetry disabling options are pre-selected by default. Now, press A on your keyboard to apply these recommended profiles directly for the currently selected browser. A confirmation prompt layout will open on your terminal screen. Simply press A again to initiate the process. The system framework will automatically apply the security policies and clean configuration parameters directly to your setup. Press Q on your keyboard to quit the tool and safely close your terminal layout screen. You can now safely open your newly debloated Brave browser app for a faster, clutter-free browsing experience. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.